Today I'm going to make mac and cheese. The ingredients are macaroni, cheese, and milk. The tools are a pan, a bowl, spoon, and a fork. First, boil some water. After the water is boiled, put in your macaroni. Next, we're gonna make the sauce. First, melt some butter. Next, we put cheese. Next, pour some milk and mix it. Pour the salt to the macaroni that we boiled. Next, we mix it until it's ready to eat.